Hi, Scott Markowitz here for CreativeHomeMovie.com. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your broken tripod with a couple of wood screws for about 25 cents. I love this tripod, but it's got a pretty severe problem. As you can see, the lip for my quick release mount here is intact on this side, but it completely broke off on this side. So if I were to try to put my quick release into there, you can see that it'll hold on this side just fine, but unfortunately on this side it's just gonna pop right out. So as a tripod it's pretty much useless as it is right now. Let me show you how to fix this. I've pre-drilled two holes that are slightly smaller than these two screws that I had laying around. Okay, so I just had these wood screws laying around. You want to use wood screws because they have this lip on the side. You don't want to use a straight screw for this. Okay, so what you do is you put your quick release mount in place, and then you drill two pilot holes, again with a drill bit that's slightly smaller than your screws, two pilot holes right next to your quick release plate. Okay, then what you do is you take the first screw and you put it in place. Okay, so you screw it down and you stop as soon as it touches your quick release plate. Okay, and you can do the same over here. You just screw it down until it just touches the quick release plate. Okay, so now you can see that that plate is actually more secure than it was when this unit was brand new and complete. The quick release works just fine. So those screws are, you know, they're not the same depth from each other, but it's all relative to how the plate fits in there. So there you have it, people. I fixed this broken tripod for about $1, and that's not too shabby.